So it's the next day, and about 3 o'clock in the morning. I needed to sleep in for a little bit, and got a newer trailer to go back to Reno with. But first thing we're going to do is run this thing through a truck wash and start making it towards home. Got 11 hours ahead of me. Time in the trucking industry, it was illegal. It was against the law to have crap mounted to your windshield. You weren't supposed to have cell phones or GPS systems or anything like that mounted to the windshield. But as you can see in this video, my truck has a driver-facing camera. It happens to be right in my line of sight. Look how large that thing is. 5 inches wide, 4 inches tall or so. It has to be mounted low like it is right now, so I can't pull down the visor to ensure my privacy. And the camera itself has AI, so if you do try to block the lens, you'll get a count against you, and you can get fired. So what's the point of sacrificing safety for safety? You know, because they require a driver-facing camera, they have to block almost a square foot of my windshield. Is that honestly safety? No, it's not. But I can sit here and complain about it the rest of my life, and nothing's going to change. Because ultimately, the world is circling the drain. And since nobody ever stands up to tyranny, it will only get worse. It will only get worse. So, continue taking the blue pill. Ignore everything that's wrong with the world, and just try to enjoy the decline. Woohoo! So, as I was saying earlier, we got an 11-hour day. I needed to sleep in for a little bit. For some reason, I was sleeping kind of restless. This whole week has been a little restless. It started off with Labor Day being on Monday. I don't know, I'm restless. The problem I've been having, and it's gotten a little bit out of hand. I don't know why my content on my channel has been pushed out to certain people of delicate nature. I've been getting a lot of requests to curtail the use of swear words. So there's things that I do to prevent that from happening. The main thing that I do is that the channel is not set for children. I do not make any content whatsoever for children at all. This channel belongs to me. I am me, and I will not change for you. That's why you have the ability to unsubscribe, dislike, and furthermore, counteract. If this content is not for you, please leave. If I hurt your delicate little feelings, please leave. If I create content that's not watchable, please watch it to the end and leave a thumbs down. That's how it works around here. So, furthermore, channel is not made for children at all. So quit being little babies. I'm a mechanic turned truck driver, and my mom was a shipyard nun. I will cuss frequently and vibrantly. And, but who cares? Driving through a freaking truck wash. Oh, wee. The first spray is acid. And then you'll see these two little, well, actually you won't see it, but these little spinny wheels will scrub the side of the truck. And right here, get ourselves in some water over here. Much better. Out of all the locations that I go to for Right Arrow Trucking, there's only 2 that have a truck wash that I can use. And I like having a clean truck. Today we are going to head back to Reno with this empty trailer. Kids want to see what it weighs. They actually give us a scale here. It's not necessary that I weigh anything, really. Front axle should be 11.8. 11.3. Okay, that's with a half tank of fuel. Drive axle should be 12 something, 12.5. Okay, and then tandems on the trailer should be the same. Oh no, tandems on the trailer should be 8. Tandems on the trailer are 10.6. There we go. So that's the empty weight of the truck. Add that all together and you get a result. I don't feel like mathing right now, but I think it was what, 11, 12, and 10. Which means we got a pretty easy trip back to Reno. I'm going to step into dispatch here, use the restroom, and we'll get trucking.